Have you seen this? It's made by artificial intelligence or AI. Have you seen this, guys? They're also AI. These people drawn by AI. Animals? AI too. AI is not the future, it's the present. Some are scared of it, rightfully so, but you have a choice. Be afraid of all that AI, ChatGPT, Midjourney thing, or ride the wave and make money while others are standing somewhere in the back. My name's Diane and you're watching Thrive with Sellvia. We're always in touch with the latest technology, and yeah, AI, ChatGPT, Midjourney and stuff is not an exception. That's why with this video, we want to show you that you don't need to be afraid of it. Just use it in your favor. So how exactly can you tackle the power of AI for your business success? Let's see. Number 1, write articles for search engine optimization. SEO is crucial for any long-term success. If you want your website to pop up in the first lines of search results, you need search engine optimization. And the good thing is that you can have ChatGPT write countless articles that will include the right SEO tactics for your growth. You can even learn your writing style. It's important to check everything in the process because ChatGPT is still a robot and it can make mistakes, deliver a wrong tone, or write something that you might not want. Number 2, design your brand. Midjourney can be a great tool to create the visual identity of your brand, logo, website design as well. And if you have an offline business, you can also use AI to create a signboard design for your office or shop. No need to pay designers and wait weeks until everything looks exactly the way you want. Meanwhile, AI is still learning. Don't be taken aback if you see too many fingers or teeth. You'll probably need to do some fixes here and there before you get the very result you're looking for. Just be patient and formulate your inquiries as clearly as possible. Number 3, create an illustrative guide or even a book. Since artificial intelligence can write text and make visual content, you might as well have it help you write a book about something or a guide. Don't spend weeks writing everything down. Get AI to do it for you and then fix things in the process because like I told you, AI is not a human. You're still in charge of the process. You're still more intelligent. Number 4, create a nutrition tracker. Many of us pay close attention to the nutritional value of the food. Apps that help with nutrition have millions of downloads. So why not offer something similar and have ChatGPT write a simple code for you? Track nutritional value, calories, and everything else you need in your wellness journey. And yeah, artificial intelligence is actually extremely good at coding, so whatever program or browser extension you need, be sure that ChatGPT can help you with that. Number 5, create a chatbot. Whether you want to level your business up or cash in on making chatbots for others, ChatGPT can help you with that too. Number 6, write video scripts. If you make videos or write video scripts for others, you can get ChatGPT to write them for you too. Just specify the topic, the lengths, and you'll receive a video script ready to be shot. Once again, don't just get the script into production right away. If your production process has special requirements, you will need to tailor the script in a proper way yourself. Also, just like with any other content created by AI, you always need to have a sharp eye on the factual information. But what if I told you there's a cooler way to make money with AI? Robots can do pretty much anything for us, and e-commerce business is one of those things. Sounds cool? Follow this link in the top right corner or find it in the description to learn everything about it and how you can benefit from this unique offering. Hope you enjoyed this video about artificial intelligence. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments and questions down below this video for me to answer. Have a nice day ahead and bye.